Can you name this farm animal? They produce milk. Baby ones are called calves. Yes, it is a cow. Cows walking along the road. Can you name this farm animal? They lay eggs. They come in different colors. Yes, it is a chicken. This is a rooster saying cock-a-doodle-doo. Can you name this farm animal? They are very stubborn. They eat grains and grass. Yes, it is a donkey. This is a young donkey with its mother. Can you name this farm animal? They give us wool when they grow up. They love to eat grass. Yes, it is a lamb. Picture of a cute little lamb. Can you name this farm animal? They like to roll in the mud. They have a curly tail. Yes, it is a pig. Two pigs dancing. Can you name this farm animal? Kids like to ride them. They love eating carrots. Yes, it is a pony. Pony eating grass and looking up at you. Interesting facts about cows. Baby cows are called calves. Adult females are called cows. They have udders. Adult males are called bulls. They have horns. Cows have one stomach but with 4 different compartments. Interesting facts about chickens. Wild chickens will eat insects, grain and even mice. Domesticated chickens are given chicken feed with grain and proteins. Chicken eggs can be white or brown. Chickens can come in white, brown, black, and also red, blue, green, silver or even gold. Chickens make very good pets, they will follow you wherever you go. Interesting facts about donkeys. A donkey is stronger than a horse of the same size. Donkeys make a sound called bray, and is so very loud. Donkeys use 95% of what they eat. Donkeys can see all their feet at the same time, all 4 of them. Donkeys are very clever and curious. Interesting facts about pigs. Pigs are very smart. Pigs use grunts to communicate with other pigs. Pigs have excellent memories. They love to cuddle next to each other to keep warm. They are very clean and normally, they do not toilet next to their food, or where they sleep.